For the learners that are not yet back in school, the department has devised various ways so that they can continue to get daily nutrition. We have asked that provinces develop various models of how this is done. So currently, what is happening is that where the facilities allow and there's room in the school to adhere to the COVID protocols and measures, they are able then to come to school to actually get their cooked meals in a staggered way. The other option that we've put in place is that they could also come to the school with a parent and receive food parcels that has a range of nutritious foodstuffs that they take home. And the third option is also that they can then pick up these food parcels, not necessarily at the school, but at a community center that is accessible. What we've also realized is that a lot of our children don't go to the nearest school to their home. And so for them to make the effort and get into transport to go and get their meals at their school is really not realistic. So to make things easier, we've said that the children can go to any school closest to home where this nutrition program is provided and go and get their meals there. All that we ask is that they must bring, as far as is possible, their own container so that the meals are then served in that, and that they maintain social distancing, and that they come along with a face mask, because all of us are expected to have a face mask on when they're out in public. And parents are more than welcome to come and come with their children to do this. But remember, it may also now increase the numbers. So we're really asking, South Africa, that this is the message. The Department of Basic Education is open. We're saying the school meals are available. Let's make sure that the children who are not yet back in school can come and get them, whilst the ones that are already in school are continuing to be fed as we've been doing all along.